I greet you all. Welcome to Melfame News. Today I would update you about Kaizer Chiefs. It seems like Kaizer Chiefs are regarding to up for a strong season. Here are some key updates. Kaizer Chiefs from Diski Challenge including Kabelo, Kasana, Tulani Mabaso and Tagalani Mahamba will join the first team for pre-season, along with Nkosana Mbuto and Manqoba Osemai. Kaizer Chiefs are ailing the talent midfielder, whose contract with Sundowns is ending. If he doesn't sign an extension, Mbole might join Kaizer Chiefs. The club is reported to close to signing Francois Pasadena, Felix Salum, and Stanley Nwabali. Coach Nasedina Napi and his team will assess the players during pre-season. With this development, Kaizer Chiefs might need it to become a formidable side to face the next season. For more updates, please like to my channel and subscribe.